Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you are running an application installer with Installshield and it says that the specific account already exists. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve it. And we are going to jump right into it and start by opening up the start menu. Type in CMD. Best match should go back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy the first one and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. And then you want to do the same thing for the second command here. So paste that one in as well. Hit enter. And once that's done, restart your computer and then attempt to launch the install wizard once more, and hopefully your prompt should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.